So if you click on this video, you want to see how much a truck driver in France is getting paid per month. Maybe you want to do a comparison. Maybe you work in Germany or in Bulgaria, or you're a truck driver in the United States. It doesn't really matter. So let's go right to the point. How much a truck driver gets paid in France? First, it really depends of your time, your working time, because there is truck drivers that are working at night, and there is truck drivers also that are working through the day, as me. So I'm going to explain all. A truck driver is getting paid, with the big trucks I'm talking, around, I'm going to talk netto, okay, net, not brut. You're getting paid around 10 euro per 1 hour of work. Depends your contract, everything. It can be a little bit less, a little bit more. It depends if you are experienced driver and all that, but I'm just going to talk about what I know and from my perspective, okay? You're getting paid around 10 euro per hour, and usually a work supposed to be around 8 hours per day. That's not all. You're getting paid that just for doing your job. After, there is obligation from the country that you're supposed to get per working day, without Saturday and Sunday, per working day, for eating per day, 13.50 euro. Okay? 13.50 euro per day of work. This is for your eating. In France, it's very strange that when you talk with drivers, they don't actually say that as their payment for the month, but the truth is that it is. You're not obligated to eat with this money. You're getting them, and it's you that decide what you do. Me, particularly, I'm bringing food from home, which it's better for my health condition, and also it's cheaper. So many people do that. Most of the drivers do that. A lot of drivers go in the buffet places and they smash it there, and that's why this job is known as being 100 kilogram fat guy all the time. But yeah, not everybody are like that, of course, but most of them. Anyway, so 10 euro per hour getting paid, and 13.50 euro per day of work. So let's say you're working 8 hours per day and 5 days a week. That makes 40 hours per week of work and 5 days paid for eating. Now when I'm trying to do the calculation, it's 8 euro per day you get, plus the 13.50, it's 93.50 euro per day. I'm going to do it 100 euro because it's really more easy to calculate it like that. In a month, how much you can work? In 4 weeks, it's 28 days. We remove the 8 days of rest, and after, if it's 30 days the month, you get 2 more days. Let's say it's 22 days. That means multiplied by 22 multiplied by 100, it's 2,200 euro you're getting paid per month. Okay, that's something sure that you're going to get. After, let's talk about the night hours. I did a little bit of night hours. The night hours are the hours between 22 until 6 in the morning. If you are working in those hours, it means you're going to get paid 25% more from what you're usually paid. So that means 25% more of 10 euro, which is 12.50 euro per hour. And if your night shift is starting at 10 and finish at 6, it means for 8 hours you're going to do 24 euro more, right? Something like that, or 20 euro. Yeah, 20 euro, sorry, it's 20 euro more. And that's all. For one day it doesn't seem that much, but multiplied for the whole month, you get paid more, but it's something that I really don't like. So yeah. After, there is the thing that I'm a person that doesn't sleep in the truck, okay? There is guys that go for the whole week, and there is people that go for the whole month, or maybe 2 in other countries and all that. This is more paid. I'm not exactly sure. I think you're paid around 30 or 40 euro per night that you're actually sleeping in the truck. So this is on top of that. So you can make your calculation by your own. If 20 days per month you're out, and just because you're sleeping in the truck, you will get minimum 600 euro on top of that. I used to see and talk with people that are going in these long journeys, and they are getting paid around 3,000 euro per month. Something that I didn't talk about is the bonuses. The bonuses, it depends of the enterprise. In my previous enterprise, I was getting 70 euro for economical driving, but the truth is that nobody really watch how economical you drive. You just get it as bonus. And yeah, there is also, if you do above 39 hours per week, you have bonuses, and your hours are paid in 110%, 120%, 125. I can't really tell you because I don't really know how it's working, but it's something like that. So what you're supposed to win in a normal working schedule, it's around 2,500 euro total. Okay, it's, for some people it's very good, for some people it's very bad. It depends how you see it. I just want to say that the minimum payment in France, it's 1,358 euro per month, so it's almost double on that. And yeah, for now I'm pretty happy with those numbers. For the future, we will see. If you have any questions, you can ask down in the comments. I would be happy to answer to all of you. And yeah, see you guys, be safe, subscribe to the channel, and good luck. Bye.